Still no clarity on the number of people who have lost their lives, but with families in several villages in the affected areas missing several of their near and dear ones, who knows just how bad this has all been.
14 days after the Himalayan tsunami struck, the ravaged state of Uttarakhand is still struggling to get a grip on the scale of the tragedy and the extent of losses. In fact, there was confusion within the administration itself on how many are missing. The state government press release said it's 1,800, while the chief secretary went on record with 3,000.
अब तक कितनी रिपोर्ट दर्ज हुई है?
अभी तक लगभग 3,000 के करीब का है.
As we travel from village to village, we come face to face with heartbreaking stories of loss and pain. In just one tehsil of Ukhimat, 446 have been recorded as missing.
आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
वहीं जा रहे हैं जहाँ फंसे हुए थे इतने दिन.
कहाँ फंसे थे? थोड़ा जोर से बोले.
जंगल में फंसे थे 6 दिन से. वहीं जा रहे हैं.
तो वापस क्यों जा रहे हैं?
वापस हमारा भाई है ना वहाँ फंसा हुआ, उनको ढूंढने जा रहे हैं जंगल में.
In this tiny village of Kimana, for instance, 18 people are missing, 8 from a family.
एक महिला हम आपको ऐसे बता देंगे कि उसके 5 दामाद है, वो 5 खत्म हो
आप ये
गए.
बताइए,
मेरा अपना भाई चचेरा भाई है, वो खत्म हो गया है. मेरा मौसी का लड़का खत्म हो गया.
As we've been walking, we've been coming across many people, and the one thing that they say to us repeatedly is, please focus on the local issues. As you can see, this really is now the only way that people can get to the other side. It's a treacherous route. Mountain people are obviously far more adept at maneuvering it. But it still poses to be an immense challenge for the district administration and for the people of this region to just be able to access many of their own villages.
Those who have survived face a daunting task ahead. With over 1,000 roads damaged, many parts of this hilly state are completely cut off. In Chandrapuri village, this is the state of the national highway.
We're just now in Chamoli district in the village of Kshetrapal, one of the worst hit regions here, and believe it or not, but actually this river, the Alaknanda river, was flowing 100 meters the other side. But locals tell us when the floods hit, the water came with such huge force, the river completely changed direction and moved 100 meters here, taking away everything which came its way. For example, there was a two-story building here and 9 rooms of a guest house. All of that has completely vanished.
ये आपने कब खरीदा था?
जी ये तो 1 महीने पहले, 1 ही महीना चला ये बस अभी.
कितने में खरीदा?
जी 80 लाख रुपए.
और कोई सरकार से अब तक आया है मुआवजा की बात करने के लिए, देखने के लिए? प्रशासन से कोई आया है?
जी अभी तो कोई नहीं आया प्रशासन.
जो प्रारंभिक आंकलन में जो मेजर डिपार्टमेंट से पूछा, उसके हिसाब से लगभग 700-800 का आ चुका है उनका. जो आपके पीडब्ल्यूडी है और पावर है और पेयजल है.
For a state that's still counting its losses, the road to rehabilitation and recovery is a long and difficult one, as it struggles to get back on its feet while still trying to assess the exact number of lives and livelihoods impacted by this tragedy. In Uttarakhand, with Radhika Bodia and Tejas Mehta, Ketki Angre for NDTV.